Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to cover Sir Bipin Chandrapal in the India's Heroes series, Special Personalities. So we have started this series for all of you because UPSC has been targeting all the most important personalities in the modern Indian history. And especially in prelims and mains, they are targeting these important personalities since the last 4 years. So we have decided to cover all the important special personalities in modern Indian history for all of you for the upcoming preliminary examination. We are going to study the origination of these special personalities, the states in which they were born, what were their contributions, what were the books that they wrote, what were the contributions that they made in the Indian freedom struggle. So let's start the class without any delay. The PDF of this session will be given to you on our Telegram channel, that is Simplifying UPSC with Ease. The link of the same is given below in the description box. Okay, so let's start the class without any delay. Class शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी delay के. Now, before we start the session, please know that whatever we are, whatever topics that we are covering, make sure that you are making short notes out of them. Okay, yes, we will be providing you the PDF, but your own notes also matter a lot. They will help you during revision. Okay, so let's start. Now here's a small announcement for all of you. We have iconic subscription from Unacademy Plus, which is going to see a price hike after 31st Jan 2021. So over here, what you need to do is, यहाँ पर आपको करना क्या है, that you have to subscribe to Iconic subscription before the price increases. In the Iconic subscription, see, there are two types of plus subscriptions. First is the basic plan that you get. Second is the Iconic plan. In the Iconic plan, you will get a personal coach. All the best educators are teaching. They are giving you live classes. You are being given the structured PDFs, etc., live tests and quizzes. But you will also be getting the personal coach over here, mains Q&A practice sessions, study planner and expert guideline from your prelims till your interview. So here you can use this code Sharma20 to get 10% discount on your subscription. Okay, this is the code. I've given you the link also in the description box below the video. Make sure that you subscribe if you want an expert's guidelines right from the first day of your preparation. Okay, so let's crack it and let's start the class now. So today we are going to study about Bipin Chandrapal. When we talk about Bipin Chandrapal, he is very famously known as father of revolutionary thoughts in India. This is a very big title that was given to a personality, special personality in the Indian freedom struggle. Father of revolutionary thoughts, that means he belongs to the extremist faction of the freedom struggle. एक्सट्रीमिस्ट को आप हिंदी में क्या बोलते हो? गर्म दल. मॉडरेट्स को क्या बोलते हो? नर्म दल. ठीक है, तो बिपिन चंद्रपाल जो थे उनका जन्म हुआ आप के 7 नवंबर 1858 में. ठीक है, 57 में आपका रिवोल्ट हुआ था और देखो रिवोल्ट के जस्ट बाद हमें मिलते हैं हमारे बिपिन चंद्रपाल. 1858 में इनका जन्म होता है. कहाँ? प्रेजेंट डे बांग्लादेश में, हबीगंज डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. ठीक है, तो पोली नाम का एक गांव था जहां इनका जन्म होता है, जहां इनकी पैदाइश होती है और इनको फादर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशनरी थॉट्स माना जाता है. बिपिन चंद्रपाल जो थे उनके पिता का नाम था रामचंद्रपाल और बहुत ही वेल्दी हिंदू फैमिली से आते हैं ये. ही बिलोंग्स टू अ वेरी वेरी वेल्दी हिंदू फैमिली. सो यू कैन सी ही लेफ्ट ऑल हिज मटेरियलिस्टिक प्लेजर जस्ट टू विन freedom, independence for our nation. His father was a Persian scholar also and he joined the Presidency College. Now this you have to remember for prelims. Where is Presidency College? It was in Calcutta. But he could not complete his education over there. So he started working as a headmaster. And later on he went on to become a librarian in a public library. Then he started meeting political leaders, started joining the political leaders. One of them was Surendranath Banerjee, Shivnath Shastri, B.K. Goswami. And finally, when he was so impressed by these political leaders, he quit his profession of a public librarian. He quit his profession and joined active politics. Pal was also inspired by the ideas of Lala Lajpat Rai ji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak or Aurobindo Ghosh, and in 1898 he went to England to study comparative theology. Now what is comparative theology? So comparative theology is a relatively new discipline within theology which holds together comparative and theology in creative tension. So what is the study of comparative theology and how many types of theologies are there? Basically there are different kinds of theologies. What are theologies? These means revelations. right? Different kinds of revelations. So here comparative theology is in part a comparison of different theologies or theological themes or grace revelation. Okay, उसे हम कहते हैं कंपैरेटिव थियोलॉजी. पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया. नाउ अब बात आती है व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ थियोलॉजी. थियोलॉजी मींस थिंकिंग अबाउट गॉड. ओके, तो अलग अलग व्यू पॉइंट होता है ना गॉड के ऊपर, उसको हम कंपैरेटिव थियोलॉजी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो ओवर हियर यू विल सी दैट ही स्टडीड कंपैरेटिव थियोलॉजी. ही रिटर्न टू इंडिया इन 1 year and he plunged into freedom struggle. So Bipin Chandrapal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai, all of these three people were spiritual. आपको पता है एक बात आप नोटिस कर रहे हो यहाँ कि स्पिरिचुअलिटी जो है उसमें काफी ताकत है. और स्पिरिचुअलिटी को रिलीजन से गलती से भी कंपेयर मत कीजिएगा. स्पिरिचुअलिटी में एक ऐसी पावर है जो आपको आपकी सोल से कनेक्ट करती है. और जब आपकी सोल एम्पावर्ड फील करती है तो आप कुछ भी चेंज करने के काबिल हो जाते हो. सो स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज मच लार्जर देन ह्यूमन माइंड. It is not exactly like religion. It is not equal to religion. It is the understanding of your own soul. Once you get connected with your own soul, you can bring a very mighty change in the society. And that was what Aurobindo Ghosh, Balpal, and Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandrapal, Balpal Lal, they did. He returned to India and he started entering into the freedom struggle. And he started popularizing the idea of Swaraj. स्वराज का आइडिया स्पिरिचुअलिटी से ही निकल कर आया था. स्वराज मीन्स खुद को रूल करना, सेल्फ रूल. आपकी सोल पर सिर्फ आपका काबू है. आप ही उसे रूल कर सकते हो अगर आप उसके साथ कनेक्टेड महसूस करो. जब तक कनेक्टेड नहीं होगे तब तक एक बेचैनी रहती है. चलो ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी की थोड़ी डीपर बात हो गई, कभी और करेंगे. आगे बढ़ते हैं. द बंगाल पार्टीशन ऑफ 1905 shook Bipin Chandrapal deeply as it did hundreds of thousands of other Indians. Now माना जाता है कि जब स्वदेशी मूवमेंट आया था उस वक्त एक्सट्रीमिस्ट यानी कि गर्म दल जो है वो काफी जोर शोर से इस मूवमेंट में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा था. ये मूवमेंट एक्सट्रीमिस्ट के ही दिमाग की उपज थी जो कि बहुत सक्सेसफुल 6 years का मूवमेंट था. So Swadeshi movement was one of the most successful 6-year long movement which was and the brainchild of the extremist, and here Bal, Pal and Lal, they participated in this movement. Okay, now moving forward over here you will see that Pal made no secret of his disdain for Gandhiji's ways, because Gandhiji's ways were non-violent, they were very peaceful, and extremists, they were koso dur from peacefulness, right? So over here Bipin Chandrapal, he was not in favor of Gandhiji's ways, and he criticized for being rooted in magic instead of logic. Now here Gandhiji was not rooted in magic, he was more of a spiritual person who believed, who had faith in the universal power. ठीक है. So and Bipin Chandrapal was more of a logical person, he wanted evidences, logics for everything, right? So here also he said if we want to uproot the Britishers we need to put in the physical pressure. Right, and Gandhiji on the other hand was saying that we need to apply non-violence, some Jain philosophies, Buddhist philosophies, Vedic philosophies into this battle. So Pal was born to a fairly wealthy family. We have studied this. He was a journalist by profession also. Write down, this is very important, that he served as the founder editor of Paridarshak. ये आपको point याद रखना है. This is very important point. Paridarshak's founder was, it is Bipin Chandrapal. At the age of 28, he decided to join an organization, then just a year old, that sought to be the vehicle of Indian nationalist movements. So over here, he joined, the organization, INC को भी इन्होंने join किया था. In the wake of Bengal partition, journal he had founded earlier called New India. This is again important for prelims. So New India was the journal founded by Bipin Chandrapal. It turned out into a political journal, political chronicle, which was published, which was established in order to create social awareness among the people. He also advocated for gender equality. In 1920, Pal was among the senior Congress leaders who opposed Gandhiji's resolution on non-cooperation over the fact that it did not address self-government. Okay, here he was known as the father of revolutionary thoughts, and even in his private life he was very revolutionary kind of person. If he saw anything going wrong, he would stand against it. He started off as a believer in British, eventually became their opponent. ठीक है. Now over here he also joined the Brahmo Samaj. इन्होंने Brahmo Samaj को join किया. He was a preacher of gender equality. and he had a son called Niranjan. And Niranjan was the one who co-founded Bombay Talkies, okay, which is a movie studio. This is a very famous movie studio, and it is the reason behind the hit films, that is Achut Kanya, etc. Right, Achut Kanya. So here he dies on in 1932. Okay, way before we got independence, but he had this dream that one day we surely will attain independence. Pal started a daily called in 1906 called Vande Matram. He also set up a school called Anushilan Samiti. Right. So these are very important points from the prelims perspective about Bipin Chandra Pal ji. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Also, do not forget to subscribe to Unacademy iconic subscription before 31st Jan 2021. Use code Sharma20 for 10% discount. And if you like this video and this initiative, then do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also let us know if you have any thoughts about Bipin Chandra Pal ji in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.